Hello again, everyone. I had just filmed, or at least I thought I filmed this unboxing, and then as it turned out, my camera wasn't on. So I'm restarting. This is a documented journey folio, and you've probably, or you may or may not have seen a prior documented journey folio unboxing on my channel. I'll put a link down below. That was a B6 Slim size in a folio, and I since found that the B6 Slim folio, at least in that configuration that one was in, just really wasn't working for me. I kind of have a setup that I really like in B6 Slim, and it's more of a traveler's notebook setup. And I already had a couple of other B6 Slim folios that I was using, and I didn't think I would ever move out of them. So the long and short of it is I got rid of my other documented journey folio, but when there was a sale before Thanksgiving, I went ahead and got this one, which was a ready to ship folio. So I'm just going to go ahead and lift these things off because it's already been unwrapped. So this is a Cork Folio. Documented Journey makes all Cork folios. I think she also makes some sketchbooks and has a variety of stickers with her art on them, which is really beautiful. So this particular design I had been admiring in prior visits to that shop. And when this went on sale, I thought, well, this is a really nice combo. And this is nice because it has this design cork on the inside for the inside pockets in addition to on the spine. So the prior one that I got had a front pocket, and I really wasn't using the front pocket on it either. So I thought that maybe this would be a little bit better. And I really do like the way it shows off this design on the spine here. And I really liked it with the green and like I said, the pattern on the inside. So we'll see. I do have a few other A6 folios, but they always seem to be occupied with various things, various books. So I thought that I would try this one out, and I kind of like how it's super duper light. So this might be a good one to make into an art journal of this size. The A6, A6 I like, but I'm not a huge fan of this proportion for the A6 or these proportions. It's just a little too square for me. Although in a folio, it does tend to be a little bit more book-like just because, and I think having the spine here also kind of gives it a little bit of more visual verticalness as opposed to being a super square. I'm not a fan of B6, which is A6, B6, and A5 are all sort of the same proportions, but just different sizes. And I do like A5. A6 has been pretty useful to me for a variety of things, but for some reason B6, I just never clicked with B6, and that for whatever reason that seems to be a hard one for me to use. I think with the A5 it's pretty big, and it's like a big enough size, but it's still like a big book that you can use. And with the A6 size, it's kind of a good smaller hand size. But B6, I haven't purchased a B6 in forever. So, but yeah, I think the craftsmanship is really, really good on these folios. She also has a lot of handmade sketchbooks at different times. I think she's taking a little bit of time off for the holidays, but I'm assuming that, stickers and all of that will be available again at some point soon. But really, I just wanted to show you that and show you the offerings that she has by giving you a link to the shop below. But I think that was it for today. So feel free to subscribe to keep track of future videos on my channel. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a like. If you have any questions about this folio, I didn't really give you a whole lot of information about it or the shop. So if you have any questions, just let me know and I'll answer those as soon as I can. All right, well, take care. I hope to see you next time. But in the meantime, have a great day. Thanks so much. Bye.